You want to go in there and say hi? Go on in. Step on in. Be very slow with your movements, okay? Okay, you want to bend down? Bend on down. Look how close you are, Daniel. You're super close to the Roosters and the Chickens.
What thanks?
Yeah. Look at the one standing up
Did
there.
you see that?
Look up. Look, he's standing on the ladder.
Look.
Look.
What's that?
That's a chicken.
Cluck.
Cluck cluck. You want to try to pet him if you can.
What's
Look,
that?
there comes another rooster.
Great.
Yeah.
It's got feathers. Head.
Yeah.
Head.
You want to try to pet him? Pet the brown one. No, I guess he didn't want to get petted. That's okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that neat?
What's kind of chicken?
What color's a chicken?
Red.
Yeah. Isn't it neat how he can stand on that
It's
board?
got feet.
Yep, look at his feet.
And the beak.
And the beak. Isn't that cool? Look at the gold one. That's pretty.
Ooh.
See the gold one over there? Look over there. See the gold one?
Look at this one.
Yeah. Really pretty.
What's the Roosters letter?
What letter?
R.
R. You right. 2 roosters.
It's gonna cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's it.
I love roosters.
You do.